I love Yahweh, for He has heard my voice, my cry for mercy, because He bends His ear toward me. I will call on Him all my days. The cords of death were wrapped around me, the distress of Sheol found me. I found nothing but trouble and sorrow. Then I called on the name of Yahweh. Oh Yahweh, rescue my life breath. Gracious is Yahweh and righteous. Our Elohim is full of covenant loyal love. Yahweh guards the simple. I was brought low and He lifted me up. Return to your rest, oh my life breath, for Yahweh has dealt richly with you. You have delivered my life from death, my eyes from tears, my feet from stumbling. I will walk before Yahweh in the land of the living. I believed even when I said I am greatly afflicted. I said in my alarm, all men are breath and vapor. What can I return to Yahweh for all His goodness to me? I will lift up the coast, Yeshua, the cup of deliverances, and call on the name of Yahweh. I will fulfill my net or my vows to Yahweh in the presence of all His people. Precious in the eyes of Yahweh is the death of His devoted ones. Oh Yahweh, I am your servant, I am your servant, the son of your handmaid. You have loosed my bonds. To you I will offer the sacrifice of thanksgiving. Call on the name of Yahweh. I will fulfill my vows to Yahweh in the courts of Yahweh.